We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Frigidaire Retro Mini Personal Fridge Cooler, a compact and stylish mini fridge designed to hold up to 6 cans or equivalent small items. This fridge stands out with its retro charm and portability, making it a popular choice for various uses including storing drinks, skincare products, and snacks. The fridge comes in a variety of colors, with the moonlight shade being a favorite for its vintage mint greenish tone that adds a unique aesthetic to any space. The fridge has a 4-liter capacity, which is ideal for small storage needs. It can hold 6 cans comfortably, with 4 cans standing vertically and 2 horizontally on top. Users have found it suitable not only for beverages, but also for small condiments and skincare items. The interior space is well utilized with a single-wire shelf, allowing for flexible organization. One user highlighted its perfect fit for storing breast milk and breast pumps, noting the consistent and reliable cooling performance. Portability is a key feature of this mini fridge. Weighing only about 3 pounds, it includes a convenient carrying handle and offers dual power options: a 110-volt AC plug for home use and a 12-volt car charger for on-the-go cooling. This versatility makes it suitable for road trips, office use, dorm rooms, or even classrooms. The fridge's locking latch and sturdy door hinge ensure that contents remain secure during transport. The cooling system uses thermoelectric technology, which is quiet and energy efficient. It cools items to approximately 26 to 28 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient room temperature. While it does not freeze items solid, it effectively keeps drinks and skincare products refreshingly cool. Some users reported a slight frost forming inside, which is normal and not a cause for concern. However, the fridge runs continuously when powered on, which is typical for this type of cooling system. In terms of noise, several users noted that the fridge is somewhat louder than expected, with a noticeable hum during operation. Cooling down can take some time, so it is not an instant chiller, but performs adequately for its size and price point. The fridge is energy efficient, consuming about 100 kilowatt hours annually, which helps keep electricity costs low. The design is compact and minimalist, measuring roughly 10 by 7 by 10.6 inches, making it easy to place on countertops, desks, or shelves without taking up much space. Its retro aesthetic has been praised for adding personality and style to rooms, especially in teen bedrooms or office spaces. The fridge requires no assembly beyond plugging it in, which adds to its user-friendly appeal. Reliability has been a mixed experience among users. While many report satisfaction with its performance over months or even years, some have experienced early failures. A few users mentioned that their units stopped working after about a year to a year and a half, with issues such as loss of power and no internal light. This suggests that while the fridge is generally effective, its longevity may vary, and some units might be prone to malfunction. Users who purchase the fridge for specific purposes like skincare storage have found it particularly useful. The ability to keep beauty products cool enhances their effectiveness and provides a refreshing daily routine. The fridge's size and portability make it ideal for this niche use, as well as for small beverage storage in classrooms or offices. One important note from users is regarding placement. The fridge has vents on the sides, back, and bottom, which require proper airflow to avoid condensation buildup. It is not advisable to place the fridge directly on carpet without a firm, ventilated surface underneath. Doing so can cause moisture accumulation and potential damage to both the fridge and the carpet. Overall, the Frigidaire Retro Mini Personal Fridge Cooler offers a stylish, compact, and functional solution for those needing a small fridge for limited storage. It excels in portability, design, and versatility of power options. Its cooling performance is solid for its size, though it is not designed for heavy-duty refrigeration or large quantities of items. The fridge is best suited for personal use, such as chilling a few drinks, snacks, or skincare products. Potential buyers should be aware of the mixed reports on durability and consider this when making their purchase. Despite this, the fridge remains a popular choice and has garnered a strong user base who appreciate its retro look, convenience, and effective cooling. If you own this mini fridge, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This fridge fits well into the category of gadgets that make life easier, providing a practical and charming cooling option for small spaces and specific needs.